Hey everyone, welcome back to the second episode of our exciting new series all about Midjourney. In the last video, we showed you how to add the Midjourney bot to the Discord server. Today we'll learn to generate images, use basic commands, parameters, and settings of the Midjourney bot. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord server where we added the Midjourney bot. To give a command to any bot in Discord, we start with / followed by the command. These commands are predefined keywords. In the message box, type /. You'll see a menu with various commands. On the left, there are icons. A clock icon, the Midjourney bot icon, and a / icon. The clock icon shows your previous commands, and the / icon shows all default commands for Discord servers. Click on the Midjourney icon to see all commands specific to the Midjourney bot. To generate images, we'll use the imagine command. In the message box after /, type imagine without spaces, then press space. A small black box with the text imagine will appear in the message box. Here, type the prompt for your image. I'll paste my prompt here. After writing the prompt, press enter. The Midjourney bot will create 4 images and display them in a 2x2 grid. Below the grid, you'll see some buttons. In the first row, there are buttons labeled U1, U2, U3, and U4. U stands for upscale, and the numbers correspond to the images in the grid. The top left is number 1, the top right is number 2, the bottom left is number 3, and the bottom right is number 4. To upscale the third image, click on U3 button. In the second row, you'll see buttons labeled V1, V2, V3, and V4. V stands for variation, and the numbers correspond to the images in the grid. To get variations of the third image, click on the V3 button. There's also a refresh or reload icon at the end of the upscale buttons. You can use this to generate another set of 4 images with the same prompt. Let's upscale the fourth one by pressing the U4 button. After upscaling, you'll see a bunch of buttons under the image. The first one is Subtle Upscale, which doubles the size of your image while keeping the details similar to the original. Let's use this upscaler. After upscaling, use the Web button to view the image in its original quality. It will open the image in your browser. Next is Creative Upscale, which also doubles the size of your image, but adds new details. Let's use this upscaler. Experiment with each upscale option to find the one most suitable for your image's style. Then there's Very Subtle. This option produces new images that retain the composition and colors of the original, but with subtle changes. Let's use it and see the variations. Next is Very Strong, which produces new images with significant changes in composition, number of elements, colors, and details. Let's use it and see the variations. In all previous generations, the images are square. To create images with a custom aspect ratio, add a space after the prompt, then write 2 hyphens, then A and R without spaces. Then specify your aspect ratio. I'll use an aspect ratio of 2:3. Now I'll upscale the fourth image. After the Very Strong button, there's a Vary Region button. This allows you to edit specific parts of the image. We will cover this in another video in future. So, stay tuned. Moving on to the next 2 buttons. Zoom out 2x and zoom out 1.5x will expand the canvas size. Zoom out 2x will double the size of the canvas, while zoom out 1.5x will increase it by 50%. Let's use them and see the results. The next option is Custom Zoom. This allows you to customize the zoom out amount. After pressing this button, a window will appear. Enter the custom zoom out value. In the text box, after the zoom, parameter and click Submit. The Make Square option adjusts the aspect ratio of a non-square image to make it square. If the original aspect ratio is landscape, it will expand vertically, and if it's a portrait, it will expand horizontally. Let's see it in action. Our landscape image is now a square image. After upscaling an image, you'll see 4 arrow buttons. These are the pan buttons. The pan option allows you to expand the canvas in a chosen direction without changing the original image content. I'll pan this image downward using the blue down arrow button. Similarly, use the other arrows to pan in the respective directions. To create images in an anime style, use the Niji parameter. Let's use our previous prompt with the Niji parameter and see the results. I will just remove these other parameters and then press Enter. Wow, beautiful! Next, let's learn about 2 important commands related to Midjourney. The first one is the Settings command. After entering the Settings command, you'll see a drop-down menu and several buttons. Using the drop-down menu, you can change the default Midjourney version for image generation. Next is the Raw Mode button. Raw Mode makes the image creator less opinionated when generating images based on your prompt. There's a link in the description to learn more about Raw Mode. The next 4 buttons control the stylization of the generated image. The stylized parameter influences how strongly artistic training is applied. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt, but are less artistic. High stylization values create very artistic images, but are less connected to the prompt. The next button is Public Mode. If you have the basic plan, you cannot turn off this mode. Anyone can view your generated images on the official Midjourney site. The next button is Remix Mode. Enabling this allows you to edit your prompt when you make a variation, refresh, or pan an existing image. The next 2 buttons change the variation mode. High variation mode produces new images that vary significantly from the original, while low variation mode produces images with subtle changes to the original. The next 3 buttons affect how fast the Midjourney bot generates images. You can change these settings depending on your subscription plan. The last button resets the settings to default. Another useful command is the Info command. This command provides all kinds of information about your Midjourney account, like your current subscription plan, lifetime usage, and running jobs. You can use this command to keep track of the remaining fast time usage. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which part of Midjourney you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.